10. Morning texts that make her crave you all day long. Imagine sending one text in the morning and having her think about you all day long. Yes, it's possible. And in today's video, we're going to show you the 10 perfect morning texts that will make her crave your presence from sunrise to sunset. Don't just text her good morning. Stand out with words that will linger in her mind, make her smile uncontrollably, and have her waiting eagerly for your next message. Stick around to learn how to become her daily obsession. Hi friends, welcome to our channel, where we help you become the best version of yourself in life, love, and relationships. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing tips. And hey, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. Now, let's dive into the secrets that'll keep her hooked on you from the very first text of the day. Let's face it, modern dating is competitive. She's probably getting good morning texts from more guys than she cares to count. But here's the truth. Women don't just crave attention, they crave emotional connection. And the right words at the start of the day can create a spark that lasts for hours. The secret? Personalization, authenticity, and just the right mix of confidence and vulnerability. When you send a thoughtful message, you're not just saying, "I'm thinking of you." You're saying, "You're special enough for me to put in the effort." But there's one thing you need to understand. The type of morning text you send depends on your relationship stage. Whether you're just starting to date or you're in a committed relationship, we've got you covered. Now let's get into the top 10 morning texts that will make her crave you all day. Number 1. Good morning, beautiful. I had the sweetest dream about you last night, and now I can't wait to make it a reality. This isn't just a text, it's an invitation to daydream with you. By sharing that you dreamed about her, you subtly plant yourself in her mind. Pairing this with the idea of making it a reality creates curiosity. She'll start imagining what you mean. Was it a romantic dinner, a spontaneous trip, or just cozy time together? It's flirty, intimate, and leaves her wanting to know more. 2. I hope your day is as amazing as you are. Crush it today. I'll be cheering you on from here. Support and encouragement go a long way in showing her you care. This text makes her feel like you're not just a romantic interest, but also a cheerleader for her goals and dreams. It shows that you believe in her and are rooting for her success, setting a positive tone for her day. It's the kind of message that makes her feel stronger and more confident, just knowing you're in her corner. 3. Waking up is easier when I know I'll get to talk to you today. What's one thing you're excited about today? Here, you're giving her a reason to think about you while also inviting her to share something personal. This message is engaging and thoughtful, showing that you're genuinely interested in her day. By asking her what she's looking forward to, you open the door for deeper conversations while creating a connection she'll keep thinking about. 4. You're on my mind this morning as usual. How did I get so lucky to know you? Simple but heartfelt, this message makes her feel special and appreciated. By stating that she's already on your mind, you're giving her the reassurance that she's a priority in your life. The rhetorical question adds a romantic touch, making her feel valued and adored in a way that feels genuine and effortless. Good morning, sunshine. Just a reminder, you're going to look stunning today. No pressure. This light-hearted message is perfect for adding a playful vibe to her morning. Complimenting her looks without being too serious shows confidence and charm, while the no pressure adds a touch of humor. It's the kind of text that brings a smile to her face while reinforcing the idea that you see her beauty inside and out. If you were here, I'd already be making you coffee and asking how you slept, but since you're not, I'll settle for wishing you a perfect morning. This text is warm and caring, painting a picture of what mornings with you could look like. It's not just a message, it's a subtle way of showing her how attentive and thoughtful you are. Even if it's just words, the idea of you making her coffee and caring about her rest creates a cozy and inviting image that stays with her all day. 7. Quick morning poll. Breakfast in bed or a surprise adventure? Let me know for future reference. This playful text keeps things light while sparking her imagination, makes her think about spending time with you, and subtly hints at future plans. The cheeky, for future reference, adds a flirtatious edge, keeping the tone fun and engaging while leaving her wondering what kind of surprises you have in store. 8. It's a new day, and you've already made it better just by existing. What's the first thing on your to-do list today? This text combines a genuine compliment with a practical question that invites conversation. By telling her she improves your day simply by existing, you're giving her an ego boost first thing in the morning. Asking about her plans adds a layer of thoughtfulness and interest, showing her that you care about her life beyond just romance. 9. Morning, gorgeous random question. What's something that always makes you smile? I'm taking notes. This message is a great way to make her smile while subtly learning more about what makes her happy. The taking notes line adds a playful yet thoughtful touch, suggesting that you're paying attention and want to make her smile in the future. It's a perfect blend of flirty and considerate, making her feel cared for and special. 10. Good morning. Just a quick reminder that you're one of my favorite parts of life. Thought you should know. Short and sweet, this text carries a lot of weight. By calling her one of your favorite parts of life, you make her feel important and cherished without overloading her with words. It's a simple way to let her know how much she means to you, ensuring that she starts her day feeling valued and loved. And there you have it, 10 morning texts that will leave her craving more of you throughout the day. The key is to be thoughtful, unique, and genuine. Trust me, when you stand out in her inbox, you'll stand out in her heart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which of these texts you'll be trying first. Or if you have a killer morning text of your own, we'd love to hear it. Until next time, stay confident, stay connected, and keep leveling up your relationships. See you in the next video.